Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best video because today I'm going to share with you the part 2 of the faucet pay crash, because a lot of you comment me you didn't get anything good from this crash. About that I'm making part 2 so you can easily understand how you can earn from this faucet crash. But before I start, just I tell you one thing about the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price right now going very high. Just please earn coins, please earn Satoshi, because you miss this time. You never earn anything from this all cryptocurrency I share with you. But after 1 year, you can't make any sense of this Bitcoin. Okay, just be careful. If you want to use my tricks in Faucetpay, just use with the risk management. If you don't use with the risk management, you lose your all account. Okay, let's get started. Okay, right now I'm in my Faucetpay. I have this much Litecoin. Okay, and I want to share with you the crash again to show you how much I earn. And just right now the time is 11:23, and it's right now is a night, and after maybe I will be use crash for 4 hour or 10 hour, I don't know. After 5 o'clock in morning I will be wake up to show you how much I earn. Okay, and just I pause the video, and after 5 o'clock I come back to show you. Right now I tell you one thing about this crash. Go to multiple crashes, and if you want to earn much more, uh, you just beat lease. Okay, I beat in the first time I beat 100. Right now I beat 70. Why? Because right now I use long term crash. Okay, just I change the beat in the first first time, and cash out manually in 2, and come down in the maximum beats. I just put 30. It's 1 million maximum beat. I don't know at the 5 or 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning how much beats will be taking. And just I start this video. Before I start, just I just tell you, take a screenshot or write this number to your anywhere you want. I want to write this number in Excel sheet, and after 5 o'clock I come back, or 4 or 5 o'clock and PM I come back to show you how much I earn from this website. And that's it. I can't leave the uh, video recorder to record all the time, step by step. My phone, this smartphone didn't have a much more space to record all of the 4 or 5 hour uh, daily 5 hour. Okay, because the quality will be increased, and didn't have a much more space for that. And okay, just I pause the video, I write this amount to somewhere and come back. Okay, I write in Excel sheet. I have this much balance to my starting beat, and I just type and beat. It's maybe take 4 or 5 hours, and just I start beating. That's the all thing about the starting beating amount, the minimum this much. If you have this much balance. Okay, if you have more than this balance, you can increase it to 100. Okay, cash out every 2, cash out automatically, change beat every lose this much, and limited for maximum beat, this much is maximum beat. Okay, just I click start button, this will be automatically start, and every time, and just I leave this one to just 4 or 5 hours. Before I leave this page, I share with you this application. This is very good. This application is turn on your screen light all the time. About that, I just use that that application because I didn't want to my phone go to minimize. Just on that application, you can download it from Play Store, or you can easily use it. Okay, the name of application is Screen Alive. You can download it, use it to didn't minimize your screen. Okay, and just after maybe I come back 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock at the morning PM, and just after the just bye bye for right now, and I pause the video and come back in that time. Hello guys, welcome back, and right now is a time for 90, and it's for 20. It's take 5 hour. In 5 hour without lose, I earned this much balance. This will be added to my Litecoin. I don't know how much USD dollar that is, but it's without any risk website. This will be work very easily, you can work smartly with this website. When you're asleep, you can easily make much more sense of your dollar, but without any risk. If you use my method, you can easily make much more amount in 24 hours. If you go in your work, you can leave your phone like this and you come back, you can see much more sense you have. And if you go to your sleep, and you can easily make it much more amount with this method. And right now I calculated how much I earn with this method. I go to my Microsoft Word, maybe this one. Okay, I go to Microsoft Word, and you can see I put the amount in here. Okay, this is the amount I have right now in my balance. I don't know how much USD, and just I go to formula, just this one, click it, and minus from this one. This much Satoshi I earn in just 24 just 5 hour. And how much USD dollar this will be, I don't know, it's maybe lease, but this is the method without any risk. You can see 7 cents I earned, but this is without risk, and this is a risk management way you can use Crash, and that's very wonderful. You can use it, and you can easily make your free cents from this method. And thanks for watching guys, and tomorrow I'll be uploading new method for 10 hour using the Crash, and in that time I will be increase this one little bit to 1 million Litecoin, and this month I will be share with you how you can earn 1 Litecoin. It's 100% safe and free. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.